We are ready to cut the weaving off the loom. In order to do that, I just loosen the tension a little bit. And I'm going to keep my extra warp because I put some extra length on there. Then what I'll do is take my scissors and cut 3 or so inches from the end, so I have more than enough for my fringe. So I'm actually going to loosen this just a tiny bit more so that I have a little more space. Once it's cut, I take the rest of the fabric off the cloth beam. And then cut in front of my knots. If I was weaving a long fringe, then I would untie and keep that length. Then I clean up my loom, take away any scraps, wrap the apron bar around the cloth beam so it's ready for me when I come back. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel for more techniques and tutorials. Happy weaving!